out a little 45% model of that structure for us, and that's fully functioning too. And then our second company that we reached out to is called NonSpec, and that was started by a few UMass Lowell students, and they work with low-cost prosthetic limbs, and so they also do a lot with 3D printing, and so they were able to print out a smaller model for us of this structure, so we had both structures ready to go. What we're actually doing with our project this year is really exciting. Because we were fortunate enough to have such a great connection with our sister school in Ethiopia last year, we decided we wanted that type of connection here in Massachusetts as well. So we're working with an organization called Citizen Schools. And Citizen Schools, I don't know if any of you guys have heard of it, but it partners with public middle schools in low-income areas across the nation. And so what they do is they extend the learning day of low-income schools by providing them with after-school apprenticeships. And these are academic curriculums that are taught in any given field by professionals that volunteer their time. And so what they've allowed us to do is create a curriculum that's going to last 10 weeks and begin next September, taught by us entirely. And we're going to be the first group of all high schoolers to be teaching a curriculum with them, so we're really excited about that. And earlier this year, we wrote a grant proposal about our cause with Citizen Schools. We were fortunate enough to win some grant money through the Biogen Ignite the Power of STEM grant program. And so that's allowed us to build these kits, which is all this stuff makes up one kit. And these are all the electronics that are necessary to build one half of this system. And so what we're going to be doing with Citizen Schools is splitting up the kids that we get, around 15 to 20 kids, in different groups and giving them each a kit of all of this stuff. And then they're also going to get a mentor, which is one of us. And we're going to be helping them basically build what we built and take them through the entire invention, engineering, design process that we went through. And it's great that we're able to bring all this stuff to them. I mean, this is not the type of stuff that I touched when I was in middle school. So we're really excited about that. And we've got like little journals for them to do journaling every day. And we're going to bring them, this is our logo for our team, designed by Paroma. She's one of our teammates. And we give them little buttons and safety goggles, of course. And this is actually what we've been working on this year, which is the full outline of the 10-week curriculum. So this has like all the day-to-day, just what we're going to be doing each week. And then here's the instruction packet that we worked with last year with Ethiopia. And so we're going to be using the same instructions with the kids next year. So we're really excited.
So is this the map that you're using? Is this your, or is this like instruction for the teacher?
So the students after school, we met twice a week for months, and they came up with the curriculum.
Okay.
So that's their curriculum based on how they will teach, and they're minute by minute. It includes games, little homework, incentives in order to get the buttons. Yeah, it's really exciting.
Oh.
And then in the back is the curriculum that the last year's team wrote for our Ethiopians.
Yeah.
Do you plan to go to Ethiopia, or do you send it by mail?
Well, we're working with our sister school over
Yeah.
there, and so we have a team of students on that side, and we send them the carts, and then they're working on creating it over there.
You also send them the physical stuff?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
We did have some connections with the Ethiopian